Hello everyone, welcome to Bani English Education. Well, do you find it quite hard to respond in English when someone is asking from you that what is the time? Well, if it is the case, this video is for you. In this specific video, I'm gonna explain you how to respond in this particular situation. But before that, I request everyone, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon and like the video too. So let's kick it off. Okay, so on the screen you would come across different images of the clocks with different timings. Let's learn describing the time with the help of these pictures. Just give attention. So here is the first picture. Okay, so tell me what is the time by this watch? It's very simple. You would say it's 7 o'clock by this watch, or simply you can say it's 7. Let's move ahead with the next picture with the same situation. What is the time by this clock? Your answer can be it's 3 o'clock by this watch, or simply you can say it's 3. Move further with the next picture of the clock. So according to you, what is the time by this specific clock? Well, this is little bit tricky, right? Because in Hindi, how we describe it? In Hindi, we describe it as pone ek, right? So in this situation, in English language, we always use, let me show you, 2. Just keep this 2 in your mind, right? So how we are gonna make the line for it? How we would say that pone ek baja hai? It's very simple. We would say it's a quarter to 1. I'm repeating, it's a quarter to 1. Or instead of that, you can use another line, that is it's 15 minutes to 1. Or alternatively, you can use the simplest line. You can say it's 12:45, right? In the next picture, situation is same. Again, I am asking the same question, what is the time? Okay, so your answer should be it's quarter to 5, or it's 15 minutes to 5. Or alternatively, again, you can use another line. What is that? It's 4:45. Very simple. Let's go ahead. Now this time situation is different. Just give a quick look on this picture. How you're gonna describe it in Hindi? First of all, just think about it. In Hindi, we say that sawa panch, but in English, we would use, okay, this is the word which I'm writing on the screen. Just keep this in your mind, past, right? While describing this situation, we are gonna use past word instead of to. This time we are not going to use to. In this situation, we would use same line as we used in the previous condition, but instead of to, we are gonna use past. Okay, so what is your answer? Your answer would be it's a quarter past 5. It's a quarter past 5, or it's 5:15. Now just give glance over this next picture. What is the time? Well, answer is it's 10 minutes to 4. Again, I'm using to instead of past, right? Instead of past, again I'm using to. It's 10 minutes to 4, or simply you can say it's 3:50. So just look at this next picture, in which you would find the complete content to describe the time with the use of to and past. Okay, so just remember one thing, that if the longest needle of your clock is on the left side, describe the time with the help of to. For example, it's 5 to 1, it's 10 to 1, it's quarter to 1, is 20 to 1 or is 25 to 1. However, if the same needle, the longest one, is on the right side, you are supposed to use past instead of to. Very simple. For example, is 10 past 5, is quarter past 3, is 20 past 4, is 25 past 7. Now, I'm going to translate some sentences. Although I don't recommend any kind of translation at the back of your head, because while speaking, what happens when we translate, we hinders our natural flow. However, I have used Hindi sentences here in this particular video in order to make your base very strong. Okay, so let's start. The first one is अभी एक नहीं बजा है. One has not struck as yet. Next, अभी 12 नहीं बजे हैं. Noon has not struck as yet. मेरी घड़ी 10 मिनट आगे है. My watch is 10 minutes too fast. मेरी घड़ी 10 मिनट पीछे है. My watch is 10 minutes too slow. तुम्हारी घड़ी हमेशा सही समय देती है. Your watch keeps correct time ever. तुम्हारी घड़ी हर रोज़ 10 मिनट आगे हो जाती है. Your watch gains 10 minutes daily. तुम्हारी घड़ी हर रोज़ 10 मिनट पीछे हो जाती है. Your watch loses 10 minutes daily. पेपर पूरे 9 बजे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, इसलिए जल्दी करो. The paper would start sharp at 9, so hurry up. So everyone, this was the short lesson about watching the time. Hope you are gonna use these sentences while talking with your friends or family members. Keep like my video and subscribe my channel. You can connect me on the Instagram and Facebook accounts too. Links are given below. Thank you and have a nice day.